1.64 Carrera 3.3 turbo, 1994. Modification I didn't do much. It's just I just put on front lid for the looks. Changed the spoiler. I put on 18-inch rotiform wheels. Yeah, I ordered directly from US, custom made. And then just a bit of a exhaust system lah. This one I bought it about Brunei, about 7,000 plus Brunei. This car is not bad. It's not as headache macam other European cars. To me, as long as you know how to jaga your car, change the ammo. Sebab India ini water cool kan, so air dia tak ada. Yang penting you change the minyak apa. Like I don't know, to me German cars all the engine tahan lama, but apa yang tak tahan lama dia orang punya interior. Dia crack apa, I think it's not meant for our weather kan. Yeah, it's too hot. Dulu everybody is asking me put all the WB, put all the WB. I say no, if it's not a turbo, maybe I put RWB. But this one is a turbo, value dia gila. Value now, kalau kat UK for 3.3 turbo, I think they sell it about below 180,000 pounds. Kalau about 3.6, that one about 200 plus. But over here, dia market dia boleh nyacah sampai 100 lebih ribu juga. Yeah.